Hello, today I will show you how you can make a Li-Fi device. First start by making the transmitter. For the transmitter we need a bright LED. Then we need to connect the positive of the battery clip to the positive of the LED. And we need an auxiliary cable. There are 3 pins, the right, left and the ground. So we need to connect the right, left to the negative. It is important to connect the right and left both pins together. Then the ground of the auxiliary cable to the negative of the LED, and our transmitter is ready. So this transmitter changes its frequency according to the audio input, which creates a oscillating light fields. Then for the receiver we need a solar panel because it converts light signals into an audio signal. So in the end of it I have connected an audio jack so that we could connect any amplifier or earphone to it, and the transmitter is also ready. Now it's time for test. So here I have my amplifier. This is the input pin and this is the audio input. So first I will connect the input pin to a battery. Now the audio pins should go to the mobile phone, but I will put it in the solar panel. Then the light signal transmitted by my transmitter will go to the solar panel, and there it will be converted into electrical signals, which will create an audio signal. Now I must connect my transmitter to the cell phone. Just like this, and now I'll play any music. Now I must play it. Yes, you can see we are getting sound from our amplifier. This is because the transmitted by my transmitter is oscillating, which creates an oscillating electrical field which acts as an audio signal.
I left my doubts when I was swept by ocean. Pulls from the tide was a finish line.
You can also use a laser in place of an LED because that would give you a longer range. So yes, Li-Fi is the future of electronics. So hope you like the video. If so, click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.